Hello, my YouTube friends. It's TeresaLouise. I'm getting ready to put this backing on the long arm, and this is something that I received from somebody, and I just wanted to give you a tip. Um, when you sew your backings together, be sure and take the selvage out. Now, this one has the selvage in there, plus it's been sewn um, about 3 times. So this is super thick, and I just wanted to show you what's going to happen. Here's one of my needles, and when I come along here to quilt this, it is going to be extremely difficult for my needle to go through that. Okay, so what I'm going to have to do, and luckily I have enough fabric to do it, is I will have to cut this out, sew it back together, and then I can proceed. So make sure if you're sending your quilts to a long armor person that you take the salvages out of your seams on the pieces that you sew together. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Bye for now.